Hi, in this video, we're going to have a look at how Macky can help you in your strategy planning process. So the first thing Macky can help you with is to create a template for your business planning. So what we're going to do is use an example of a typical small to medium-sized business, and with this one we'll say that the size of the business is 20 employees. So we just type in 20 employees here. And the type of business we're going to use is a consumer electronics retailer. And then the objective of our strategy is going to be that we want to grow the business by 30% over a 12-month period, which is a typical strategy for most organizations. Everybody wants to grow. So how do we go about doing it? Well, let's see if we can generate a response from Macky and see what Macky comes up with. So I've typed that in and we just click generate. And then you'll see there's an output below. So once we've got the output, you'll see that there's a growth strategy, which includes executive summary, market analysis, competitor analysis, a SWOT analysis of things that we should be looking at, and target market segmentation, and so on. Now, what we can do is we can ask more information about this output that's generated, and I'll show you how you can use the different categories to get a little bit more information. So down the bottom, one of the things we wanted to do is have a look at the competitor analysis. So we just go to competitor analysis on the left, select that, and then using the same example, we'll type in the name of product, company or service, such as consumer electronics retailer. And then we're going to say it's located in the United States and generate an output. So what we've got is a good understanding of the SWOT analysis of our key competitors for the consumer electronics space. And again, we've got market share, who's got what market share, their pricing strategy, their product offerings, distribution channels, and so on. So now we've got some insights that we can use as part of our business planning that really helps us to better understand our competitors and what we might need to do. One of the last things we want to do to have a look at our business planning is to really investigate the key pain points that exist for a consumer electronics business. So what we'll do is we'll go to consumer pain points. We'll type in the industry sector again, consumer electronics retailer, USA, generate. And then the output that's provided by Macky is the top common pain points for customers in this industry. So we can take this output and the competitor analysis and the template to give us some great insights that we can use for all of our business planning in this respect. So we can save it to our library, or we can copy it and paste it into whatever document you want to use. If you save it, it goes into our Macky library and you can use it there whenever you want, or delete it or add to it, completely up to you. And if we go into the library, you'll see that the output's saved in there as well. So you can keep referencing these outputs at a later stage. It'll help you build a better business plan. Anyway, I hope this has been helpful for you. Thanks for watching.